Starts. Oh, there it goes. Hi. Welcome back, and thank you for joining us. My name is Mallory.
Are we on yet?
We are. We're live. My name is Mallory. I'm with Acclaimed Heating, Cooling, and Furnace Cleaning, and this is our special guest, Rob.
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Rob from Robart Electrical Services.
Yeah, our beautiful electrician. We are coming to you from the Acclaimed office here in Edmonton. It is Friday, March 2nd, and we have our Dear Rob letter.
Ooh.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so...
What did they say?
Dear Rob from Robart Electrical, we just moved into a new home that was built in the 1970s. There are a few light switches on the wall that don't seem to turn anything on.
Ooh.
How hard is it for you to figure out if the light switches are alive or if they actually go to anything that would be useful to us? Any idea what they could be for? Signed, Perplexed with Switches.
Perplexed, all right. 1970s, there was a thing that they used to do. They used to put in switches that controlled receptacles. So if you have a 1970s house, one of the first things you do in the room is, if you've got switches like that, look up on the ceiling and see if there's a light fixture. If there's a no light fixture, you'll know that they've put in what's called a switch plug, which is something that controls the receptacles on the wall. Now, one thing, it's not going to control the complete receptacle, because a receptacle is made up of two, a top plug-in and a bottom plug-in. The switch will only control one half.
Okay.
It's designed for lamps and that sort of thing, because of the fact that they didn't put a light fixture in the middle of the room.
Okay. I think I've been in a couple of rooms like that, actually.
I've been in many of those rooms.
Yeah, I bet you have. Well, that makes a lot of sense then. I actually just want to take a second and address the elephant in the room here.
Elephant?
Yeah, this beautiful
Oh, you
scarf.
like that?
Yeah.
No, I figured we should add a little color since we were live and so forth, so I figured I'd just put this on.
Matches our beautiful purple walls.
That's
there.
true.
Yeah. Okay, so I guess that is our Dear Rob letter there, and just a couple housekeepers. So we'll be launching a new contest for a $100 Home Depot card right after this. Details will go on our Facebook page, so you can find that there. Yeah, so we appreciate all likes, comments, and shares to our Facebook. We want to thank you for your support, for tuning in, spending some time with us. If you would like to be notified when we put our videos up, subscribe to our YouTube. I understand that, Rob, you also have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, we've got a new YouTube channel that we set up. We're going to be doing publications to help out homeowners with different problems around the house. So, you know, the handyman sort of thing that can do his own work. We'll be having a journeyman electrician walking through the different problems and so forth. And that should be starting up here in the next month or so.
Oh, that's really exciting.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll tune for that one as well. If you have any questions that you would like to hear us read, submit them to our office email, and we will see you next week. All right.
Bye.